Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and it's time to give you my top 3 Cardano picks. So these are going to be Cardano native alts. So I'm very excited about these. Guys, keep in mind, nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. Invest at your own risk. You're listening to Loose Moose. But what we're going to do is give you guys my top 3 alts that I believe in. These are Cardano native assets, tokens. So these are basically 3 Cardano projects. I like them right now. I think it's a good buy. I just did a video, so if you guys can subscribe, check out my recent videos. I just did one. It's not out yet. I'm going to upload soon. I gave you guys my reasons as to why I believe that we are going to continue forward. I think we got a lot of bullish momentum. Effectively, Bitcoin's at all-time highs. And then, alt season hasn't happened yet. So once Bitcoin dominance cools down a little bit, I think alts are going to do well. Cardano specifically will be doing well. So let's get into it before the bull run. Number 1, we're going to talk about Dex Hunter. I don't even know if the token is available on here. No. But anyways, if you guys use dexhunter.io, you can connect your wallet and begin to use the protocol. So what this is a DEX aggregator. What it's going to do is allow you to connect your NAMI wallet, your Cardano wallet, and then you can swap assets. And what it's doing is it's going to aggregate and give you the best price from the top decentralized exchanges on Cardano. So here, if I hit swap, I got a little bit of ADA there. And for example, if I did 100 ADA, I could pick up some Hunt. So it is app.dexhunter.io. It's probably available on CoinGecko. So that's where you can find it. They're going to be launching V2, and I just think that there's a lot of potential here. So market cap wise, it's very low. And in terms of when people do swaps with Cardano, especially assuming we get into a mega bull run, this is going to be the place where people do it. So I've been doing all my swaps here. For example, if we were to choose something like, let's pick a different asset. Say you want to get some Chad here. So this is a meme token, not telling you to get this, but say we did 1,000 ADA. What we can do is check out the details. Should show us where it's going to give you the price, where it's going to pull and get the tokens from. So this one's actually doing quite good. So maybe we'll switch here. We'll do maybe MinSwap. So MinSwap is a DEX, but as you can see here, it's going to swap and give you 100% of the tokens from Min. So obviously MinSwap, they're going to have a lot of liquidity for their own asset. But here you can see, for example, you got Splash. Here you've got Axo Trade. Here you got, I believe that's Sunday Swap. And then you have your other DEXs. So for example, if we were to switch for, let's find something else, maybe like COPI, even though it's one of our picks. But if we were to pick up some COPI, say we do 500 ADA, that would get us quite a bit of COPI. And then what it will do is basically find the best price and get you the best swap for that. So here it's going to be using Wi-Fi. And I believe that's because Wi-Fi, they have the Volt. So a lot of people provide liquidity. They provide a lot of COPI and they earn yield. So the cool thing really about this DEX as well is when you think about decentralized finance, right? DeFi, that's what this is all about. So you own your own assets, and we all now collectively become our own banks. So basically you pull in your money, you do things like yield farming, you pair 2 assets. Point being, guys, this is used a lot, and I believe that the token, assuming we get a mega bull run, could thrive and do well. So that's number 1. It's going to be Hunt token Dex Hunter. That's the project. So number 2, we already talked about it. It's going to be cornucopias. So COPI. Why do I like COPI? COPI. Why does the moose like cornucopias? Well, very simple. Right now, it's still another good buying opportunity. This project has been somewhat lagging behind in price. Basically because crypto gaming as a narrative hasn't jumped up again since, last bull run. So this project is relatively new. It looks great, built using Unreal Engine 5. And, you know, at 4 cents, looking at a 37 million market cap. And this project is not just available on Cardano's blockchain. It's actually available on BNB. So there's COPI BNB. There's COPI Base. There's COPI on several different chains. So you can see the contracts should be down here or up here. So here, if you see there, you got Base, Cardano, BNB, and ETH. So Cornucopias looks awesome. So it's a metaverse game built using Unreal Engine 5, and I think it's awesome. So they have a racing game. It's an open world MMO RPG, and the graphics are sweet. So this is the website. It looks even better, and they continue to develop. There's nodes, etc. So here, if I go to rewards, if you guys go to JPEG store, you guys can pick up some nodes, start earning some rewards. So this is based on the 8 nodes that I have. I love these. So long term, for me as an investor, I will be able to run my own node. I'll probably have a video on that as well. And by the way, the Moose is an OG now. So very cool. I may have to talk about that even further. But it's my opinion, guys, that Cornucopias is just an awesome game. Once the gaming narrative picks up, then it's just going to do super well. So I'm very, very, very bullish on this. A lot of cool content that's going on with COPI, and the team's fantastic. I've met them, and I'm just looking forward to this. So mega, mega, mega opportunity. Another low cap pick. Okay. So what is going to be the final one? And if you guys want, head over to Linktree, pick up a Tangent. Guys, use code MOOSE. You guys need to use cold storage. Have a hardware wallet, okay? So use code MOOSE, pick up a Tangent. And what we're going to talk about briefly is going to be NVL, also referred to as Nuvula. So this is like their staking dashboard. Wonder if we could get to their actual website. But I actually did take out a little bit of my rewards here, but NVL, it's a token, and I think this project has a lot of purpose, a lot of utility. So it's NVL, right? $NVL, and what you could do is you can take your assets and stake them to the platform, and what they do is they pick up nodes and they run them. They keep them efficient, and instead of you having to know the hardware side of things, software side of things, all you have to do is pick up NVL, stake it, and you earn these sexy rewards. So you got Iagon, COPI, you got USDM, etc. So I think that Nuvula Digital has a lot of potential going forward. So those are my 3 picks. You guys can comment down below. What are your 3 Cardano alts, your Cardano native tokens or projects? I like these ones a lot. So with that being said, the Moose is loose. We'll see you when the Moose makes 100x. And yeah, cheers, everybody.